In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Ring app. This app is your gateway to managing your Ring doorbells, cameras, alarms, and smart lights. Whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone or iPad, I've got you covered. Now let's dive right in. First, you need to open your App Store. If you're using an Android device, this means opening the Google Play Store. For those with an iPhone or iPad, you'll want to navigate to the App Store. Finding the right App Store is crucial, as this is where you'll download and install your Ring app. Once you're in the store, you're ready for the next step. Now search for the app. In the search bar, type Ring Tash Always Home. It's essential to ensure that the developer listed is Ring.com. This helps you avoid any potential scams or incorrect downloads. Making sure you're getting the correct app is important because it ensures you're accessing all the features Ring has to offer. Once you've found the correct app, it's time to move on to downloading it. Next up, it's time to install the app. For Android users, you'll see an option that says Install. Tap on that. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, look for the Get button and tap it. After you do this, the app will start downloading. This step may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you'll be ready to open the app. With the app downloaded, you can now open it. You have two options here. You can tap Open directly from the App Store, or you can find the app on your home screen and launch it from there. This gives you flexibility depending on what you're comfortable with. Opening the app sets the stage for the final step, signing in. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign in or create a new account. If you already have a Ring account, simply enter your login details to sign in. If you're new to Ring, you'll want to tap on Create Account to set up a new one. Having a Ring account is vital as it allows you to personalize and manage your devices effectively. Remember, this is where you'll connect all your Ring devices and customize settings to fit your needs. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully downloaded and set up the Ring app on your device. This process ensures you have full control over your Ring products anytime, anywhere. Remember, having the app means you can monitor your home even when you're not there, providing peace of mind and enhanced security. Thank you for watching, and happy Ring managing.